Hello everyone, this is my review of the SEESE Turbojet leaf blower. The first thing I noticed was how powerful the airflow is. Even leaves that have stuck to the driveway or patio come off quickly and easily, making cleanup feel fast rather than a chore. It's also surprisingly lightweight and comfortable to hold. Even during longer cleanup sessions, it doesn't fatigue my arm or feel awkward to use. That makes a big difference compared to some bulkier blowers I've tried in the past. Another thing I appreciate is how easy it is to start and operate. There's no weird setup or complicated steps. Power it on, and you're ready to go. The controls feel intuitive, and I can switch between blowing speeds depending on what I'm doing, whether it's clearing light debris or heavier piles. It also handles dust and small debris really well, so it's not just leaf cleanup that it's suitable for. I use it around the garage, sidewalk, and even under bushes where leaves tend to collect. It's become useful in so many parts of my yard. Overall, this leaf blower has made outdoor cleanup faster, easier, and honestly, more satisfying. If you want a powerful, easy-to-use tool that holds up week after week, this one has worked really well for me. I highly recommend it, and I hope this review helps.